Oh, it saved us a lot of money. I mean, I don't know exactly what we were spending, but backhoe and operator for 2 hours is probably $70, $80 an hour. So, you know, that's quite a lot. Keeps us happy because the water still goes under the road and it doesn't wash it out.
We work with engineering department and Beaver Solutions, and Mike has come up with some flow devices that really control the level of water. And so we found that using the flow devices works a lot better than trapping out beaver. Flow devices, when there's a big storm, they keep the water in check so we don't have overflow and flooding and everything keeps running. And we find that residents really like that.
Since you put the 7 Beaver Solutions devices in for us, it's cut down on my men going to the sites and checking them every day, and it has also stopped from sending equipment over to pull them out. It's cut our payroll down significantly.
We've been able to install 6 flow devices into our beaver dams. This has been at a substantial cost reduction to the town.
We've had flow devices in the town of Westford for 7, 8 years. We have 7 or 8 of them in town. They work great. When I first got them from Beaver Solutions, I was a little skeptical if they were going to work. You know, nothing ever works that great until you see it work, and they did work. We've saved so much money on manpower alone, with 2 guys every day going out checking these beaver screens, and nothing ever works. We have to clean them every day. Once we get these flow devices in, that all stopped, saved us a ton of money, ton of man-hour time. Beaver Solutions comes out, inspects them and repairs them a couple times a year. We don't have to do any work to them at all. It's just been a great success for us.
We had Beaver Solutions and Mike Callahan prepare a beaver management plan for the town that identified problem locations and remedial measures we should undertake. We are extremely pleased with the services Beaver Solutions has provided.
We've been inundated with a lot of beaver issues. We've got approximately 6 areas. They have fences. 4 of them have the leveling systems in them, and they've been working great.
Since the installation, we have had no problems with the road being flooded whatsoever. Cohabitation has been a success. The beavers have maintained a certain pool level, and we've had a road that's high and dry and passable for vehicle traffic. So overall, it's been a great experience. Definitely a great guy to work with, and certainly a proven system.
We've had good success with the devices on 4 or 5 properties that we own, and we feel confident that it's a very effective and cost-effective solution for the problems that we've run into with beavers.
They're just phenomenal in terms of, you know, certainly being the most humane solution because they're non-lethal, can leave the beavers in the habitat where they are and just solve the flooding problem. They're also, over time, the most economical way to solve a problem. You know, it's a much more longer-term solution than trapping beavers out of the environment, and very environmentally friendly as well because we get to retain all the wetland benefits. So I love dealing with these problems because really there's such a great solution.